Big Brother Trevor's going to start this one now. This is called Still, or Be Here Still. It's kind of reggae vibes.
Each time your laughter sends my soul above the sky to a garden where I feel secure, where we could quietly lie. Nothing's changed, all the same. Then again, we'll live forever in a place so far from here. Taken by on my mind, we'll be fine. We'll meet up once again, outside of space and time, outside of space and time.